The sea god is enraged. The oracle decreed that my biological daughter must be sacrificed, Coralia, to repay me for raising you. You will take your sister's place today and be offered to the cruel sea god!
No! The sharks will tear me apart!
Don't be long.
Great sea god, accept this pure sacrifice and calm your wrath.
Even if the sharks don't tear her apart, the savage sea god
The king and become queen.
Typhon, you once unleashed hurricanes and tidal waves that drowned the earth and killed countless people. Today, I, Poseidon,
Will never allow you to rise again!
I shall return! Your Highness, Typhon's seal will only hold until tonight at most. Your injuries are too severe. Only a pure bride of the sea god can grant you the divine power needed to seal Typhon completely.
That's the human bride sacrificed to the sea god.
Save me.
I am Poseidon. I saved you, but salvation comes with a price. What will you offer in return?
So he's the ruthless sea god from the legends? But I have nothing.
No, you do. I need you. Your soul. Your body. Every tremble you feel.
Without him, I would already be dead.
When I return after sealing Typhon, I'll give you the grandest wedding in all the divine realm.
Coralia. You filthy whore, sea god, but somehow you swim back to shore. And then you hid away in that cabin sleeping with some strange man. You've disgraced our family name and ruined my chance to marry into the royal family.
My child is not a bastard. Father, please believe me.
Speak? Can't answer? Because you're just a slut who got screwed by some stranger in that little cabin without even seeing his face!
He's Poseidon. He'll come back for me!
That man in the cabin told you his name was Poseidon? Don't tell me you're stupid enough to believe he's actually the sea god. You and this little bastard ruined my life. I'll cut it out of you right now and get rid of this bastard for our family.
No! Why are you doing this to me?
You are not. You're just a child my late wife picked up from the beach. I raised you all these years, and now you've destroyed Mara's royal engagement!
You deserve all of this, you slut.
My child. born at only 5 months.
Coralia is dead. Throw this freak and his slut mother into the cesspit together.
Let him rot together with his whore of a mother. That's impossible. She was completely dead. My child.
Give me the child!
Mother, you look younger.
This little bastard's blood is worth more than gold.
By the blood of the sea god, I cast you into the abyss of darkness. Seal!
Your Highness, Tithe is sealed. You saved us all, but your power's spent. You need to heal. I'm going to bring back my bride. Time flows differently within the underwater volcano. 5 years have likely passed in the mortal world.
I can't feel her anymore. I have to find her immediately.
Mommy? Is Daddy never coming back for us?
He had something very important he needed to do.
More important than us?
Still dreaming that your mystery man will come back for you?
You've already taken his blood 3 times this week. Alex is only 5 years old. He's going to die. Please, spare him.
He's our family's money tree. This little bastard's blood cures every illness and keeps people forever young. Selling his blood has made the Lascari family the richest in the entire city!
Take my blood instead. I'm his mother. Maybe my blood has value too. You can take as much as you want. Drain me completely. Just please spare Alex.
Nobody would want your worthless blood even if it were free.
Stop!
Draco, bring me the coral crown from the eastern sea, the mermaid tears from the western sea, and the purest sapphire.
I will announce to the entire world that she is the one and only Queen of Poseidon.
Yes, Your Highness. It's the resonance of our bloodline. She bore my child. They're nearby.
What did you say? The sea god's bride is still alive?
After being sacrificed to the sea god, she fled to a cabin by the sea,
Where she was defiled by another man and gave birth to a bastard child.
The sea god's bride was defiled by a mortal? The sea god's wrath will bring divine punishment upon us. This mistake must be corrected immediately. Coralia, who is the child's father?
he is the sea god.
Lies! How could the brutal sea god possibly let you come back alive?
Even if you refuse to speak, I have another way to learn the truth. The mirror of truth reveals all things in this world.
My father!
Mirror of truth, reveal the true father of this child.
We're finally going to learn which strange man slept with you. Your whole family is about to be executed. I cannot withstand such overwhelming power.
A power the mirror of truth cannot withstand. A demon.
He is the son of a demon! The birth of this demon child will cause the sea to swallow the entire city-state.
The end is coming.
Then execute them immediately!
No. They must be taken to the temple of the sea god. With the sea god's power, they will be executed before the entire city-state in the flames of hell. Guard them carefully.
You're finished, Coralia. Tomorrow, I'll watch you and your little bastard burn to ashes before the whole city.
No! He's just an innocent child. You can burn me, but please spare him!
Don't you still need his divine blood? If you burn him to death, you'll never be able to harvest it again.
Then I'll drain every last drop of his blood first. The rarer something is, the more valuable it becomes. When you two are burned alive before the entire city, and the people learn that I possess the last remaining divine blood, I will become their god. They'll kneel at my feet, begging for my favor!
I can't wait to send you both to your death.
Alex, you have to escape. Your father gave this to me. Take it and find him.
We'll leave together.
Only you can fit through the tunnel we dug open. Your father is Poseidon, the sea god. He's powerful. Run to the shore and let him protect you.
Mother, I'll find father and bring him back to save you.
Hurry! Catch that little bastard! He's escaping!
Your Highness, there are so many people in this city-state. With your current weakened divine power, you can't sense your bride or bloodline. How are we ever going to find them?
Even if I have to search every corner of this city and look into the face of every single person, I will find them.
That little kid vanished?
He is my son. His eyes, they look just like Corelia's.
There he is!
Please, save my mother!
Who is your mother? He has no divine power at all, and his body is so weak. He's nothing more than a mortal child.
Please, save my mother.
If I truly had a child, he'd probably be around that age too. This is the necklace I gave Corelia. That boy just now was my child. That boy just now was my child.
Go after them, quickly! Poseidon, you were wounded sealing Typhon to protect mankind. Come to Mount Olympus. The gods will help restore your divine power.
Your Highness, leave the search for the little prince to me. Once your divine power is restored, you'll be able to sense the exact location of your bride and son.
Find them at all costs.
Sister, are you calling that little bastard's name? Don't be sad. I've brought your son so you can be reunited.
Divine crows, come forth. Devour their tainted bodies and souls until nothing remains.
Great sea god, calm your wrath. We will punish this wicked mother.
That's the sacred mark of one who has forged a covenant with the sea god. Has she already become the sea god's chosen bride? Sea God, by sealing Typhon, you saved the mortal world and Olympus itself.
I heard you formed a contract with a mortal woman. Do not forget that you are already betrothed to the daughter of the ocean goddess.
She's in danger. Damn them! These insects are begging for death!
There's nothing there.
Was I mistaken? Was it the demon child's power protecting her?
High Priest! Burn this evil mother and child to ashes immediately!
Burn them!
This is ghost fire from the underworld. It burns both flesh and soul to nothing, leaving not even a trace behind.
Who dares touch my bride? Lord Poseidon!
She was telling the truth! She's the sea god's woman!
Anyone who hurts my bride must die!
Click to watch the full episode.